Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to see the numbers up to 1000 for year 2 students. Let's see how we are going to find out the missing numbers. Let's get started. Numbers up to 1000. What are the missing numbers? Let's find out the missing numbers here. We have given 20 plus 6. How we are going to add this number? This, as you can see, that this can be written as 6 ones. This is 20. This is basically 2 times 10. 20 will be written as 2 times of 10. What is 10? 10 is the tens place. We can write 20 as 2 tens. Let's fill it in the boxes here. At the ones place, I will put 6 because it is 6 ones. And at the tens place, it is 2. So I'll put here. What is my number here? Can you read this number here? Your answer is 26. Let's write down the answer here as 26. This will be my answer. Let's see the next question here. 600 plus 70 plus 1. How we are going to add that? Let's write down at what places they lie on. 1 is at 1 ones. 70 will be written as 7 tens. 600 will be written as 6 and 100. Let's place it in the box. At ones place, I will put 1. At tens place, I will put 7. At 100 place, I will put 6. My number will be 671. Let's write down here. You will read as 671. Let's see the next example here. 400 plus 60. Let's do it here. 60 will be written as 6 tens because this is 6 times 10. 400 will be written as 4 times 100, which is written as 400. Let's put it on the box places. Do we have any ones place? No, right? We will put 0 at the ones place because there is no number. If we add 6 tens, that means at the tens place we have 6. Let's put at the tens place the number 6. 400. At the 100 place, I have the number 4. Let's write down at the 100 place the number is 4. This number will be read as 460. Let's write down here 460. This is 460. Let's see the next example here. 95. I have to split it. This will be written as 90 plus dash. Let's split this number here and place it at the boxes here. At the ones place we have 5. Let's write down here 5. At the tens place we have 9. Let's write down 9 here. This 5 will be written as 5 ones. This 9 will be written as 9 tens. 9 tens is 90, which is written here. What is missing here? Missing here is 5 ones. So it will be 5 here. That will be your answer. Let's see the next example here. 167 is equal to dash plus 60 plus 7. How we are going to add that? Let's place all these values at the place values first. At the ones place we have 7. At the tens place we have 6. At the hundreds place we have 1. Let's place all the values here. Ones place it's 7. Tens place it's 6. And at hundreds place it is 1. This will be written as 7 ones. This will be written as 6 tens. This will be written as 100. 7 ones will be written as 7 only, which we already have. 6 tens will be basically 6 times 10, which is 60. We already have here. 100. 100 means 100. You have to multiply 100 with 1. If you multiply 100 with 1, your answer will be 100 only. Let's write down 100 here. What is the missing number? Missing number is 100. Let's see the next example here. 515 is equal to 500 plus dash plus 5. Let's place it on the place value first, all the numbers. 5 is at ones place. Let's write down 5 at the ones place. At the tens place, we have 1. Let's place it at the tens place here. At the 100 place, we have 5. Let's write down 5 here. This will be written as 5 ones. This will be written as 110. This will be written as 500. Let's see that what is missing. 5 ones will be written as 5 times 1, which is 5. Is it there? Yes, we already have. 1 tens will be written as 1 times 10, which is 10 only. Is it there? No, right? So that is our missing number. Let's write down 10 here. 500. 5 times 100, which is 500. Is it 500 here? Yes. So our missing number is 10. Let's see the next question here. 106, which is written as 100 plus dash. I have to write down the missing number. Let's place them at the place value first. At the ones place, we have 6. Let's write down 6 here. At the tens place, we have 0. Let's write down 0 here. At the hundreds place, we have 1. Let's write down 1 here. This 6 will be written as 6 ones. This 0 will be written as 0 tens. This 1 will be written as 100. 6 ones is basically 6 times 1, which is 6. Is it there? No, right? Let's add it here. This is 6. 0 tens. 0 tens is 0 times 10. If you multiply any number with 0, your answer is 0. So there is no addition here. If you add 0, it doesn't make any sense. So we don't write 0 here in the addition. 100 is written as 1 times 100, which is 100, which is here. So our missing number is number 6. Let's see the next example here. 800 plus 3. Let's fill that at the place value here. 3 is ones because 3 is written as 3 times 1. So this is at the ones place. Let's write down 3 at the ones place. This 800 will be written as 8 times 100, which is written as 800. At the hundreds place, we have 8. Let's write down 8 here at the hundreds place. Is there any number we have at the tens place? No, right? There is no tens here. So if there is no tens here, we will put 0 at the tens place. This 3 will be written as 3 ones. 0 will be written as 0 tens because this is at tens place. 8 is at hundreds place will be written as 800, which is read as 803. If you combine it, this will be written as 803, which is 803. That will be your missing number. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment down below. Bye-bye everyone.